Yo, it's Thursday, fam. You already know what that means. But today we're gonna do things a little differently today. Cause we're in the kitchen.
Cooking dope. Just kidding.
I wasn't taking part in any of that.
He was gonna cook dope. But today, we finna make. What we finna make?
We finna make pancakes with oatmeal in the middle. With oatmeal in the middle.
Oatmeal pancake sandwiches.
With a tie and key twist. Little tiny.
Let's get started.
Let's go. Boom!
This is what you gonna need.
Gonna need go ahead.
A bowl,
Bowls.
a spoon, variety instant oatmeal,
Flour. White sugar. Brown sugar. I love it.
interracial.
You're gonna need food coloring. Any color that you desire. We have two. This is turquoise. This is like I call doo-doo green or ugly green.
Mustard.
First, for the pancake mix, you take your flour here. I don't use measuring utensils. I never did.
I think you
I use an egg.
an egg.
An egg. Yes, we're putting eggs in the mix. Makes it better, I think. Who knows? We're gonna put flour. How much? I don't know, but we're just gonna put flour in the bowl. We're gonna put some freaking H2O with the flour.
H2.
Yes.
Cinnamon.
You got cinnamon, you got your white sugar. Alright, it's good. Then you got your sugar. This is white sugar. Then we got brown sugar. We're gonna use both.
I thought that's,
How much?
I thought that's why we got it.
I don't know how much we're gonna use.
Let me see that spoon, please. A heaping spoonful.
We need another one. Yeah.
Another heaping
Oh my gosh.
spoonful.
We're gonna use a freaking spatula. We're gonna mix the dry ingredients up. Make sure they're all married together.
Married?
Married.
Married together.
These big fat brown sugar clumps.
Mmm.
Just like I know. I hope no one heard that.
He said just like I like my women.
I didn't. I did. Then Key's gonna slowly pour this water in here. While
How much? Until we fill it.
You know? Just gonna add that right up in there. Yeah. Give me some more of that water. Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me some more of that water, Holmes. Yeah. It smells like oatmeal. All right, now the trick to making thick or thin pancakes is the amount of water you put in that bad boy. Now go ahead and crack that egg. I said crack.
Mmm.
We put a crack in our egg. Puncture the egg yolk,
That was sissy.
and now I'm gonna keep stirring. If it's too watery,
A little flour. That's enough.
go ahead, fam.
Pour some sugar on that.
How much? We don't know. That's not sugar.
Measuring tools are for yellow bellies.
What? Once you got a nice even blend and it's thick to your desire, you're gonna want to add some 2 drops, just 2 drops. This stuff is deadly. That's 1. And that's 2. Okay. Now you're just gonna stir it up till that thing turn whatever color you put in there. Didn't really.
So, that's why I said measuring's for yellow bellies. And we just gonna
this thing on green now.
add a bunch.
There it is. There it is.
Alright. So now that we have baby's first doo-doo, we're gonna
That's pretty much what it is. Oh, I don't want to eat it anymore, but I have to.
set this to the side
Yeah.
while we prepare the oatmeal.
Horse milk. Horse milk. We should do baked apple because we don't have apple in here.
We don't.
And then this is green like a green apple. So
Baked apple, great value because Quaker is good and all, but ain't nobody got cash for that. All right. Now a lot of people like to cook on the stove and whatever. This is instant oatmeal.
we're
it's
college
obviously-
students.
This is instant oatmeal, so it's obviously made for the microwave. We're gonna pop this bad boy in there for about 2 minutes.
That's the only oven you should use in the college.
Yeah.
Because some people, even then, some people like to set fire to dorms.
All right, so now we have moved over to the stovular area, and we're about
Coffee. Sorry.
and we're about to throw down in the kitchen. So we have our non-stick pan,
See, it's not sticking. Sorry.
and it's finna get lit. The oatmeal's done. Smells delectable. Oatmeal is not good unless it's blue. So we're just gonna add a couple, and by a couple I mean a lot, of drops of food coloring. And we're gonna stir it up.
Yeah.
My hair was this color last summer.
Yeah, it was. It just,
Delicious. I still see a couple of white spots. I'm just gonna
dang.
just one more. We finna make a sandwich.
Wait, show that. This was the only perfect pancake that came out. That was the only perfect one. So you know how there's great value syrup? This is greater value syrup, so.
Okay.
This is good.
I mean, it's interesting.
I would eat this. This is good.
You eat anything though.
This is also true, but this is good.
I mean, it's good. It's just odd.
But it's good.
This is weird.
What's wrong with pancake?
My pancakes never had oatmeal in it.
I'm enjoying it.